Let's talk about how to use the CyberScore lead magnet to create dedicated postcard mailing campaigns for your prospects. All right, so you can use the CyberScore and print out the CyberScore card and add that to your existing direct mail campaigns, or we can use the same data to create custom postcards that you can mail directly to your prospects. So here's an example of a campaign that I ran as a test campaign last year. That's why my face is on it. And same type of information you're getting from the CyberScore intel. So we start a campaign, we load up the domains of all the prospects that we want to run CyberScores for, and then we export that to CSV. So you're getting, let's do this in the mirror, you're getting number of dark web breaches, which on this copy I wrote as leaked credentials. You got the 2 LinkedIn profile pics, which we host on our server and provide you the direct URL to so that you can feed it into the printing software. You got a company name and logo. Same with the logo image we host on our server and give you the direct URL for. And then I put my picture here, and then I was trying some different headlines. This one was, do hackers know your employee passwords? You got to experiment with different headlines, but that's the one that I was using. And then we got CyberScore percent on the back, QR code to the branded CyberScore lead magnet landing page, and then another picture of me. So all of this information you can get in the export of the CyberScore campaign. I used a company named Stamped, STANNP.com. Shout out to Tahir from MSP Camp for making the recommendation to me. Stamped has a unique feature where you can, not only can you dynamically load the text from a CSV, like the name, the company name, and the number of leaked credentials and the CyberScore percent, but you can also load images dynamically. So each one of the recipients gets their own postcard with their company name, their CyberScore stats, and their employee LinkedIn profile pics. And that's how we make them really personalized. Because the hardest thing about sending direct mail is making sure the receptionist picks it up and then reads it. So by making it hyper personalized, not only with their CyberScore information, but their employee photos sent directly to them, we increase our chances that they'll pick it up, check it out, and if they scan the QR code, it takes them to their branded landing page, and then you'll see it on your activity feed. So that's how you can use the CyberScore campaigns to really amplify your postcard campaign.